With that being said, we're going to talk about the power of 10, y'all. The power of 10. 10 seconds, 10 minutes. Before you act on any impulse, any thought, give yourself 10 seconds. 10 deep breaths. This is what I call taking baby steps, just to see how you gonna perform and just to see how it's gonna work for you. You know. And after those 10 seconds, if you can't, but you should be able to, you can. You're gonna knock that out the box. Then you're gonna try to get yourself, you're gonna wait for the next craving to come, because it's probably gonna hit a little harder after that 10 seconds. Give yourself 10 minutes. Because usually after 10 minutes, the cravings goes away. They last about 7, 8 to 9 minutes. So you give yourself 10 minutes. Your thought process might change. Like I said, you just taking baby steps. So you gotta figure out what works for you, what don't. You're gonna be replacing a lot of things that you're doing. A lot of habits that you was doing for us. Like when you're driving, what triggers you is driving. It triggers you to light up that first cigarette before you even take off. So you might want to put on your favorite song, to go and distract you real quick. Instead of lighting up that cigarette, stop, pause, do your 10 seconds. You have to do your 10 minutes. Put on your favorite song, something that's going to put you in a trance, maybe something that's going to hype you up, or something that's just going to put you in a cleaning mood. Just take your mind off of that cigarette before you get ready to drive or go wherever you're going, because that's a trigger. So we tie cues to these triggers, it go instead of you doing that, then you do this. And you get this result. See what I'm saying? Trigger, cue, reward. Instead of lighting up a cigarette, popping a piece of gum, put some gum in your car. Keep your bottle of water around. That helps with the smoking cravings.